challenge yourself. Riding means finding total control too.
To me, riding means looking for emotions, to seek them anytime, anywhere, to go and get them.
Riding means devoting your mind and your body, curve after curve, slide after slide, to get it wrong even, why not? To get back on track.
What I feel? Well, I feel the freedom to be driving my own existence, to weigh all the options, to run them one by one.
It's thinking about the here and now, not what will come. There's just no time for what will come.
It's a bit like meditation, but with bated breath.
Sometimes I feel like I'm going super fast, taking a million decisions every minute. At other times, I feel like I'm taking so many that I'm not actually taking any.
I made a promise to myself, never stop feeling free. You know what I mean?
Sometimes I ride to feel light as a feather.
Sometimes to feel tough, swift, sexy, one of a kind.
Every single day, I want to dare new ways, new roads. I feel like choking on adrenaline.
I laugh, I cry out for something, for anything.
Every day, I feel like I've never felt before.
Every day, I try to run as fast as I can towards myself. That's what riding feels like.